What's up, guys? So on the previous video I unboxed that big boy Bissel Pet Pro Plus, and on this video I'm going to unbox little green Pet Pro. So let's get to it. Okay, so we got the manual. We got a free OxyClean urine Pet Pro, whatever. We got attachments. This one's like for reach, hard to reach area. Then we got this one, a smaller one, and we got pet stain tool. So I'm assuming that I'll be able to use these attachments also with that one over there, which is good. So that's what it comes with right here. All right, so we put that to the side, and now we got this bad boy. Let's take it out. Okay, so that was it, and came out like this. It's got a little holding handle. Also, get it out. So this is a I'm gonna say pretty short hose. It's like maybe 5 feet. I don't know. It doesn't say. Oh, it's a 5 feet. It's a 5 feet hose, 20 feet long cord. So it's shorter than the big one over there. That one's 25 feet cord and 8 feet hose. Spray tip, 96-ounce tank. So yeah, then includes that, and this is it. And then once again, to use your attachments, you see that hole there, and you see this nipple here. You just attach it just like that, and to release it, you press this button and pull it out. All right, so that's what it is. We got the cord, pretty long. And then once again, I will be making this comes out. So this is not a handle, so this is the handle. Once again, I will be making videos on how to use this. I will be using different things, so you want to see how they work, because that one was like $400 plus this one was like 200. So I can show you the difference. You don't have to spend the money on that one. You can just get this one if that's all you need. But yeah, I got that one, of course, for more powerful clean. And yeah, that's what it is. Simple. So the next videos I will post probably how to use them, how to fill the tanks and everything. I don't know why this. I don't like this gap here. I don't know. Okay. So this is dirty tank. So this is where the dirtiness is gonna come in, and then just to dump it. And then this is where it fills with the clean water. And I'm assuming you mix it with the soap probably. But again, I will show you on separate videos how to use them and stuff. So yeah, this is the unboxing for this one, and the video for that one will be before this one, I believe. So might be the other way around, but yeah, I wanted to make it shorter. It is shorter because this one you don't have to assemble anything pretty much. That one had to assemble it it wasn't that hard, but I wanted to show as much as possible. So thank you for watching, and yeah, subscribe if you wanna get into cleaning with these vacuums. You know, you can clean your house. You can probably clean like dog beds, sofas, cars, anything, upholstery, you know. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.